Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a boba drink. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to draw a vertical line that's slightly angled for the side of the boba drink cup. So down like this, and then a curve, and then we're going to do the bottom of the cup here, which is just a curved line across, like that. And then we're going to go back up to the top and stop right about here. So up. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. There's no rush. Okay, and then stop right about there. And then go over back where we started. We're going to do a curved line across like this for the lid of the boba drink. And then we'll have that line go up and curve back around like that. Then we'll go back where we started that line and we'll do the same on the other side like that. Okay, now right here, let's do the brim of the cap. So it's sort of a thickness. So it's like a plastic edge to the cap that goes around like this. And then hooks back around like that. And we'll do a dome cup lid. So we'll go up, we're going to do a curved line up, and we'll stop right about here. And then stop there, and let's leave a space for the straw, because we're going to have a straw coming out. And we'll do a curved line back down to here like that. Okay, that looks really good. So now let's do the straw in the cup. So we will do a angled line here. So starting right about here, we'll touch that line and stop. And we'll do a curved top. And then we'll go back down like this. And let's keep that line going all the way down. And we'll stop and leave a little space right here. And we'll do the same. We'll continue this line down like that. All right. And we got to draw the hole where the straw is going into. So starting right about here, let's just do a curved line like this, and then we'll stop like that. And let's make that straw have some dimension, so we'll finish the straw off like that. All right, that's looking good. Okay, now let's do a little bit of a sort of another line here to give the cup some dimension. So right here we're going to do a thin line that goes across and then intersects with the straw and then goes back around like that. All right, now let's draw the shape of the boba liquid inside, or the tea inside the cup. So starting right about here, we're going to do a separation line like that, and then we'll curve it at the bottom, have it curve across, and then back up, and then we'll just go up like this, and we'll stop right about there. All right, now let's do the face inside of the boba drink. We'll do two eyes and a smiley face. So starting right here, we'll do one eye, just a circle like that, and we'll do another circle over here for the other eye, like that. And let's do some highlights inside. So just a smaller circle and a smaller circle, and then we'll do an even smaller circle for a double highlight on either side like that. All right. Then let's color it in black. Okay, now let's do the smile in the middle of the two eyes, like that. It's a happy boba drink. And now, a boba drink isn't a boba drink without some bobas inside. So we'll do some circles all around inside the drink, inside the tea. You can kind of put these anywhere you want. They're just a bunch of circles. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. All right, I'm gonna make my boba tea kind of like a brown color inside, because that's the flavor I like. And then we'll make the balls kind of a darker brown color. And let's make the straw kind of a pink color. And let's make the cup a light blue. Maybe we'll do a little highlight on top of the plastic there. And let's do the highlights in the eyes kind of a green to make them fun. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.